Okay, go.
Ready?
Yep.
C'est ma maison. C'est ma porte. Okay. Alright, Jake. What's the first step? Taking the glasses off. Alright. C'est ma cuisine. C'est mon four.
Let's go back.
C'est mon frigo. This is so strange. Okay. C'est mon micro onde. It's from. Okay. I get a married.
I definitely just looked like I was checking out your phone with the camera.
C'est Abercrombie. Okay. Alright. C'est ma chambre à coucher. What's à coucher mean?
I don't know.
Okay. C'est mon miroir. My mirror. It's a placard. Oh. C'est mon placard. All of my crap. Okay. C'est mon lit. Jack, this is so stupid. Okay, now we gotta get to. Oh, bathroom. Oh no, wait. C'est ma salle de bain. This is where like the whole class cracks up. C'est ma douche.
Should be on there.
C'est mon évier. C'est ma poubelle. Okay, don't look at that. There's like,
Are you gonna flush it?
oh, flush it. Oh yeah, okay. Nice and fresh. Works all good. The Porcelain Express. Okay, now to. Okay, we already did all that stuff. Okay, back downstairs. Okay. What's the living room called, Jackie?
I don't know, it should be on there.
C'est mon salon. C'est mon canapé. C'est mon chaise. C'est mon cheminée. C'est mon chien lit. Right there. C'est mon chien. Elle s'appelle Emma.
So French.
Yeah. Family. Okay. C'est ma chambre familier. C'est mon canapé. Times 2. C'est ma télé.
Absolutely free.
C'est mon table. Alright. Now, yeah. C'est mon frère et ma père. Jackie, I don't know where to go now.
Basement.
Let's go to the basement. Okay, alright.
Don't go to the basement. I'm playing down there.
I know, but like, we gotta make a video. Okay. C'est mon sous-sol. C'est mon télé.
Black Op.
Yeah, Black Ops. He's playing Black Ops, but it's on pause. C'est mon canapé. Here, come get a frontal view. Here, actually, I'll turn on the lights. You go over there. Okay, there we go. And c'est mon guitare. Trois guitares. Yeah. C'est mon piano. And mon, what's that called?
Drum.
Batterie.
Battery.
Mon batterie. Okay. C'est ma chambre de hodies. c'est le lit. C'est le l'évier. C'est
Ordinateur.
l'ordinateur. Let's go upstairs. Okay, we did basement, living room, kitchen, bedroom. I already did all those. No, I didn't do my bedroom. We did the bathroom,
We did the bedroom.
family room, we do the dining room.
No, we have to do chairs.
I don't have a dining room. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
you
I
do.
Oh, yeah. Okay, alright. Okay.
Come here.
C'est ma salle à manger. C'est ma table à manger.
Dad.
C'est ma lumière. Right there.
And
C'est notre chaise.
there.
Oh, yeah. C'est notre chaise. Chair. Alright.
Are we done?
Nope, we have one more. Then we have to go. Mon chambre.
What's that?
My room.
You already done your room.
I did?
Yeah.
I think we're done then. Well, hold on, wait. Let me make sure. My bedroom, and then we did the kitchen, we did the living room, then we did the basement, and the bathroom.
Guest bedroom, family room. Yeah.
Okay, now let me get you. Here is the magical camera woman.
Over. You gotta say bye.
Au revoir.